Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 30th on a Monday. Let's see how we can end the month here in October, but well, let's admit it, it's been ugly for a couple of weeks now. And we are seeing a little bit of gap up this morning. We are kind of at a critical support level in the SPY. We are due some sort of relief bounce, but who knows? It's been hard to come by. But let's take a look at some stocks that are looking pretty decent and setting up. First on my list today is, let's see, this CBAY, CBAY. Like the way this is setting up, putting in a couple of bottoming tails the last couple of days above all its key moving averages there. You can look for a bar reversal, maybe taking out Friday's highs. Looks like it's going to gap up, or you can put this level around 1575. But nonetheless, kind of a decent looking chart there. DHT, freights, deep sea freight companies have been doing well. This is kind of levitating up here next to monthly highs. So DHT, keep an eye on that, and also maybe look at some of the other freighting companies. Let's see, YMM. China has been outperforming the U.S. over the last 5 or 6 days, and this one had a nice little volume bar. So maybe look for a move above this 741 level. And another China play is Tencent Music Time. It's got a couple of kind of a goalpost there you can see, but if it does get above this, you can see I have it marked already, a price alert. This looks like about a 2-month high. It's going to challenge its 20-day moving average. So showing some relative strength there in TME. Try to get one more for bottom fishers out there. IONQ is at this critical psychological $10 level, and it is at support on the weekly there, you can see. So look for a 3-day high there in that IONQ for relief bounce. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.